Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a quick macaroni salad. This is something I make for my son. It's easy for him to take to school and it's a one dish meal. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. It's going to be really easy to put together. We're starting with that base. I'm going to be using mayo, and I like using this avocado mayo. It's a lot healthier to use. And I'm only going in with about 1/4 cup, but if you wanted it creamier, of course, feel free to add more mayo. In goes honey Dijon mustard. Or if you don't have this, you can use any other type of mustard that you have on hand, and you can add some honey. Smoked paprika is going to give it a really lovely flavor, and celery salt is a must whenever I make potato salad or macaroni salad or any type of egg salad. In goes finely diced celery, finely diced red bell peppers, finely diced red onion, and some shredded carrots. You guys see how we're hiding some veggies in here for the kids? I'm gonna give this a mix, and once it's mixed in properly, this is what it would look like. And then you'll drop in your boiled pasta. I'm using a combination of elbow and conch shell pasta, and all you have to do is toss. Once you finish, mix it. You want to taste it and make sure that it has enough salt. Sometimes I like adding a piece of golden ray to this. It does add some richness, but you don't have to. And once it's finished, all you have to do is taste and enjoy. You can make this overnight and serve it the next day. As you can see, it's not very creamy because my son does not love a lot of mayo, so I made it to please him. So be sure to add more mayo if you would like it creamier. And if you make this recipe, let me know down below. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.